My channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make an Oreo mug cake. It's quite simple and I know there's several videos, but this is my own recipe, guys. Haven't watched any recipes at all, any videos at all about how to make Oreo mug cake. I made one before that. Actually, I think I copied a recipe, but now I don't know where it's gone, so I'm doing my hand. As you can see, what I've done is these are actually mini Oreos, so I don't really know how to you guys, but you guys can. They're about like 15 mini Oreos, so big ones will be about what's half 15? 6.5 Oreos, if that makes any sense, or 6-7 Oreos, guys, big ones. So yeah. Also, we put milk in. I'm gonna put milk in and come back to you guys. You have to crush them though with the fork first. Okay, so we've crushed now, and I don't know if it has to be powder or crisp, so I'm just gonna go with my own estimate and literally just do it this much. So and now at this point, guys, you're gonna put milk in. I'm gonna show you how much milk to put in. Whole milk. Also, you can try this with cookies if you want. We actually just got from the place, so yeah, you can try with cookies. I don't like cookies that much, so personally, so that's it. I did Oreos. So now we're gonna use whole milk. Okay, so you don't put that much. You're just gonna put tiny bit. There you go. Okay, so I did put my 3 mini Oreos in, so that's gonna be about. Okay, so I can see some cookies going, and I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're gonna just put some baking powder or baking soda, any of those. I think it's baking powder, and we're just gonna shove in because it's gonna be our own random recipe that we're gonna make. Okay, so only about a finger. And mix with the fork just because it's easier to break the Oreos. So you guys just use one mug. And if you guys want us to make the cookie one, we can make that. Shall we make the cookie one? Make the cookie one. We'll see if we're gonna make the cookie one. I think that's it's not up to you guys because clearly it's not your choice. Okay, so I think this is done. Now we're gonna put in the microwave for like how long are we putting for? 1 minute. We're gonna see 1 minute because we're just doing our own estimates. We're gonna 30 seconds then 1 minute. It's done now, guys. We really need to clean this. Anyway, that's how it looks. Only for 1 minute after microwave it. I was gonna be cautious, but then we ended up doing it for minutes. So we're also gonna make the cookie one, but now we have icing sugar on top of it. Okay, so we actually sifted it. So yeah, that's it. Now we're making a cookie one, and it's kind of hard. Another Oreo one in progress, and this is just I put about milk. Only a little bit. That was fine. And now we mix. So yeah, I mean it's kind of like a paste, but we want it like a cake batter. Is that a cake batter? And she just only bit. That's it. And you need to put some baking. Also, guys, we put baking powder like I told you guys. It's baking powder. Why is this too messy? Anyway, we just use cookies from it. Anyway, we want to make it like cake batter, so we need more liquid. Only bit. Baking powder again, like I showed you before, just like up to your finger. That can be a microwave now for. We do have 40 seconds. We'll see.
40 seconds.
Yeah, because the other one was for a minute, and that was.
Fine.
No, but this is the other one, innit? No, it isn't. Oh guys, I think I'm a bit worried about this one because clearly we've never made it before and I've never seen a video of it, so yeah, I think we're just in the microwave for like 5 more seconds. So far we've done it 50 seconds. First we did it 40, then 10 seconds. So now obviously as you can see from the bottom, my camera's getting dirty, but as you can see, that needs something. I just messed the whole cake up. Yeah, Lorraine, I think I'm just doing 5. Why? Oh my god. We're just gonna do 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds did I just say? We'll just see. 5 seconds. Actually, I'll just do it for like 9 seconds left. Okay, so yeah. Cooking. 3 seconds left. 2, 1. Oh, I'll just go like that. Oh my god. Okay, well that's never gonna be okay. Oh guys, this is the cake. We're just gonna put melted chocolate over it. We have to give it some warm. And we just stop with melted chocolate because it's kind of dry from inside. Now what did you do that for? You know, because it's too dry, then we're gonna wait that 5 seconds. Well, before we did 4 minutes and it went too dry. No, we already, well, 50 then, 55 or something. Because you already started in 10 seconds, they're gone. Anyway, these are our cakes so far. Oh. Okay, so now I'm making milk chocolate. We have to keep mixing it regularly, continuously, that same. I'll just squeeze it. Hopefully it's made. This is for need my volleyball. Yeah. So if guys, if you want to make chocolate liquidy, all you need is put a bit milk. But I want to mix it. I mean, there's already one underneath. I think we need more chocolate. When else come from me? Is this like boiling water? Okay, well, I think we shouldn't maybe pour milk because it's kind of getting stuck. But okay, well, it's kind of working out. But then I can just put more milk to the Oreo cake, so that's what make it do anything. If you can't hear anyone speaking in the back, it's really not my fault. It's just our family members. We didn't call anyone, and I mean, why would we? I mean, since it's lockdown. No, it's because we couldn't hear everyone in the back. It's nearly done, isn't it?
The ganache is almost made.
Normally we make it with
Go
dark
and
chocolate.
get the cake, please.
Normally she never says please, but normally she never says please. Okay, so that looks like a good cake, doesn't it? Anyway, I want to pour it on top. At least throw the chocolate away. Okay, well, where do we put this? Wait, let's still think in there.
Which one? 640.
Oh my god, I feel like this is so liquidy. We should have tried it ourselves at least. Or put some sugar in.
The chocolate ganache is fine.
Okay, well, I'll just try it then.
1050.
Oh guys, so this second cake came out. We had to eat filter off chocolate, so guess who's making more? I feel like you just put too much milk. And like the plate is nearly about to fall. Guys, can you guys see how close? I mean, like the legit chocolate's falling in the plate. Which way does gonna get and taste it? Nice. Okay, so we're gonna do taste test. I mean, I would never, but we are gonna now. Let's try it. Okay, so we just shoved chocolate on the cookie one. But I tried it. We both ate it.
I'm talking about this.
I'm trying to get this last bit out.
Oh, the pistachio was nice.
Do you guys wanna?
I had one.
That's what I'm doing to get every little drop out. Okay, anyway, we're gonna try it. I've already had it, and then it's like fell there, and then now I'm gonna have it with chocolate. Guys, that's the bomb of it. I mean, you know, cups are so gonna get destroyed after this. They take 10 years to wash it. I'm the only one that washes it if anyone else does. Because this actually is so good. I think that's actually good with more chocolate, but we have to use the cooking now because we never ever finish it, so it's great. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up. See you later. Bye.